In this video, we'll be discussing the truth about making money online. Before actually making this video, what made me to make this video is because I've checked some video online and I've seen titles like how to make $100 a day, how you can make $50 a day, how you can make $200,000 in a month. And when I checked these videos, I realized what the person that created the video wants you to do is just to maybe sign up in a website whereby they receive the referral commissions. So it's more like using you to earn money, not like they are showing you a sustainable way you can make money online. And in this video, we'll be talking about the most legitimate ways you can make money online. And I asked a few of my friends this question, that if you are to start making money online in 2023, how will you go about it as a Nigerian? And I got responses, and in this video, I'll be showing you their responses. And at the end of the video, I will tell you my own opinion on how you can go about making enough money, sustainable money, legitimate money online in Nigeria. So let's continue.
If I were to start all over again in 2023, how will I make money from the internet? Let's say I do lose everything I have right now, and I don't want to. I want, right? But talking from the perspective of someone that has no capital to start their own business and don't have that much time to waste on creating their own products or service, I would go for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, you are just picking someone else's product that is valuable and you are recommending it to other people and getting paid for it. It's literally what every one of us does every single day. Just that we're not realizing that we're doing it, and also we're not getting paid for it. So for example, let's say you wear a Louis Vuitton shirt that's very dope, and your friend sees Louis Vuitton shirt and goes, "Damn, I love this shirt. Where did you get this shirt from?" And then you go, "I got it from so and so store." And your friend goes, "Please give me so and so store's number. I want to cop my own Louis Vuitton shirt." And then your friend gets the number, purchases it. Okay, now what you've just done over there is you've done affiliate marketing, just that you're not getting paid for it. So affiliate marketing is just like recommending products, valuable products to other people and getting paid for it. And as someone that wants to start all over again from scratch, which means I don't have capital to start my own business, I don't have much time to waste on creating my own product or service, I'll go for affiliate marketing.
Okay, if I'm to start making money online again in 2023, I would start again with what I'm doing actually, just repeat the same step I've gone through. Find a skill that I can learn that I'm very sure of, and then find a way to, market it exactly. Learning a skill is not as important as knowing how to market it. So I'll just find maybe someone who has gone through it before, maybe not necessarily someone who has gone through my skill, someone who has marketed their skills before through any marketplace, either Upwork or Fiverr actually, but Upwork in particular. Learn a skill and then learn how to market it on Upwork. Simple as that. Learn a high income skill, not necessarily high income, just learn any skill, any digital skill, and then find a way to market it on Upwork or Fiverr, either you prefer, and then other subsidiaries like LinkedIn, Twitter, and all those things. But primarily, learn a skill and learn how to market it on Upwork. Simple as that.
My name is Dami. I'm a graphic designer with 5 years of working experience, over 5 years actually. So if I wake up tomorrow with no skill, no money, no connection, how would I be able to make earn in this country? Okay, I will do the same as I did when I was starting, because I started with none of those. So what I did was I hustled for money, like from friends, from parents, from families, to get a small laptop. So I got a small laptop and I learned graphic design online for free. I learned that for 2 months. So I went on Fiverr to create an account, a Nigeria Fiverr account with my name, with everything, with all my details on it. After that, I started getting orders and was able to earn some money to expand. But I didn't stop there. I keep learning and learning and learning. So if you do the same thing, I'm pretty sure even as of today, you'll be able to earn money in the space of 4 or 5 months. You'll be able to earn money in Nigeria. Thank you.
So to buttress their point, I'll actually say there are actually 3 best ways you can start making money online, especially if you're just getting started. And The first one is freelancing. So freelancing is very easy. You can start without even investing a dime. You can be maybe a graphic designer, maybe a web designer, maybe a video editor, maybe a content writer, and many more. So you can venture into any of these, and you just have to take your time and make sure you skill up and you get yourself to that level where your skill is very needed. So that's one of the best way. And the second way is actually affiliate marketing. This is a process whereby you sell other people's product, be it digital product or physical product. You help other people to sell their product. You're just getting started. You might not really have your own product or what you want to sell. So, but you can actually promote other people's product and you earn commission. So that's the second way. And the third way is actually content creating. So you can create content like what I'm doing now, and you get paid for creating content either by promoting other people's product and they pay you for advertising for them after gathering a huge amount of audience, or you get paid through maybe Google AdSense. You know, when you post content like this on YouTube and you've actually grown your channel to a certain point, so Google will pay you to through YouTube. So those are the three ways I know that you can make legitimate money if you have to start from scratch, not just by signing up on a website and filling survey and doing stuff like that. They are not really sustainable. So the sustainable ways are actually content creating, affiliate marketing, and freelancing. So I can recommend those, and I wish you the best. So thanks for watching. Make sure you stick to my channel if you need any maybe freelancing knowledge. And I have a lot of videos that can help you in your freelancing career. And in the future, I'll be creating more content relating to freelancing, affiliate marketing, and content creation. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.